Okay, full pelters. Well, I'm in Bulla. It's a small town just north of Melbourne, and today there's a bike and a car show on today, so we'll go and have a look. Classic EH right there. Used to have one of those when I was a young bloke. Anyway, so yeah, there'll be mostly Harley Davidsons, that sort of thing here, and yeah, just old cars and hot rods, I'm assuming. So let's go in and have a look. Yeah, so just looking at the sign here, it's the Vigilanties, Vagrants car and bike show. Okay, full pelters where you can see the bikes here. Have a look at this. There's just stacks. And I would say a fair whack of them are Harleys. There won't be too many BMWs here today, guys. Look at this. Bloody hell. There. So yeah, guys, this is the old red motor 186. This is in this HR Holden. HR. Look at that, classic 1966. Love it. And here's a Chrysler Valiant, as far as I know. Chrysler Regal, is it? Yeah, Chrysler Regal, sorry. It's got the 265 Hemi in it. Look at that. Very nice. Little road runner sticker down there, look at that. Now this is pretty cool, have a look at this. Wow. Put a little extras here, these wind deflectors under the mirrors. Beautiful interior. Yeah, that's beautiful. Certainly going to be plenty of noise here, guys, but have a look at this. Another cracker. Here's a cool looking HQ GDS Monaro. Man, that is sweet. Look at that. I love it. Here's a Corvette Stingray. Have a look at this. Look at the pipe on it. See that? Sorry about the noise, guys, but we've got the band just playing there. But right here, saying here the original Mad Max Z900, owned and written by Dale Bench. See it there? How cool is that? there, guys. That is nice. The hand on the dash there. So you got the two Mad Max cars here. This is hilarious. Yeah, that is cool. Just at the side here, there's all these old signs and stuff for sale. Guy up there selling stickers as well, just there. So yeah, there's some cool signs here. The old cars, the Royal Enfield one there. Bellicetti and a BSA here. So yeah, lots of stuff here for sale as well. Well, a pretty good event really, we're lucky with the weather. But yeah. So it's run by the Vigilante Motorcycle Club. And obviously yeah, the band's playing just at the in that truck there. But yeah, we'll go and have a look at the motorbikes. There's a heap of motorbikes here. But I'll just go back and run up the other side. This is like a motorcycle transport vehicle. Look at this setup here. This is cool. Strap it in and just drive it up. Yeah. Okay, he's going to give us a whirl. Mad Motorcycle Transport. That's what the guy is. Just use the drill. Oh yeah, and then up it comes. Look at that. Too easy. It's all done by the hand drill. No worries, they just slide it in. How cool is that? Brilliant. Well, no effort at all, just all done by a hand drill. Brilliant. So there's his truck there, Motorcycle Mad. Oh yeah, it's a custom workshop here too, advertising them there. We're in Sunshine North, 2 Comley Street, Sunshine North. Cool. And right here you can see Tony's Petrol Bowser Restoration. So geez, have a look at those, they look immaculate. They even do these pumps as well. And the Jack Daniels one. They look pretty good. Again, another guy selling all these wares, all these cool signs. Golden Fleece, Harley, oh, even Fender guitars. How cool is that? Yeah, a lot of these are really good signs. VB, Melbourne Bitter. They look great. Gosh, that's excellent. Okay guys, I'm just going to rip through these motorbikes here. I'm not up to speed with a lot of these, so I'll just give you a look at them. So that looks cool. Actually, they're all going to look cool, but there's some standouts that I just like that rustic look. That looks great. Might have to come back and take some photos, but gee, it's just stacks of bikes here. Let's just walk past. Look at the chopper there. So yeah, we'll just whiz past these, but just giving you a look because there's so many. Look at that. Look at the seat setup on that. That'd be so comfy. That is great. They're all really cool in their own right. Oh man. Have a look at this. Have a look at that. Down the skull down there. That. Man, that really sets up. Look at the flames. The flames down there. Detail on the headlights there. Look at this. There are just skulls everywhere on this bad boy. Look at that. There's the speakers. How good is that? Oh, look at the rear too. That. Have a look at the paint job on this thing. Look closely, it's all just skulls. Look at that. Back to this one. Wow. I love it. Another really cool paint job on that. Yes, I worked my way back along this row here, but yeah, this is another beautiful paint job on this one. Love the flames on this, particularly when now the sun's out. Have a look at that. Yeah, we'll just work along here, and look at the chopper here, and another pretty cool skull on the tank here as well. Very nice. Seat on this too. It's great. Yeah, back to that one there. So yeah, there's a bit of a ring in here. The BMW S1000RR, but what a machine that is. Always plenty of noise here, guys. Pretty unique too. They got a model of this thing on the back. Have a look at that. Pretty impressive. It's like a Monaro Ute. 5-litre Mustang. That looks pretty cool. So again, guys, I just think these are just regular people's bikes that have arrived here, but Again, just giving you a quick look at what's here. Pretty much everyone's a Harley. So yeah. Well, there's a Honda Shadow. These are the old Yamaha V-Stars maybe. Yeah, these are V-Stars. So there's two here, one there and one there. And that's what I bought 3 or 4 years ago when I first got back into motorcycles. These V-Stars are a great looking bike. I don't think they make them now. Yamaha, I think they've stopped making them. But yeah, a cool looking bike. And then here again, all the Harleys, just more Harleys. Harley heaven really here. They're very good. Okay, full pelters, well I hope you enjoyed that little show here at Bulla, the Vigilante Motorcycle Club bike and car show. So yeah, some cool things to see here today. Alright, I'll catch you on the next episode, Full Pelt Adventures.